Have you ever taken a step, felt your knees wobble, and thought, oh no, I might fall? If you're over 70, that fear of falling can feel like a shadow creeping into every walk, every stair, even getting out of bed. But here's the good news: one tiny change can make you walk steady again, without that constant worry. Curious? Stick with me, because today we're diving into the number one reason seniors fall and how to fix it in just minutes. Hi, I'm Sarah, and I've spent years helping seniors like you stay active, independent, and confident. In this video, we'll uncover 7 sneaky habits that make you unsteady on your feet. I'll share simple fixes, backed by science, to help you walk stronger, safer, every single day. Plus, I've got 3 easy exercises you can do at home in 10 minutes to boost your balance. Ready to feel steady again? Let's get started. First, let's talk about the number one reason seniors fall: poor balance habits. Falls are scary. CDC says 1 in 4 seniors falls each year, often leading to bruises, broken bones, or worse. But here's the thing: you don't have to live in fear. By tweaking a few daily habits, you can cut that risk and move with confidence. Let's break down the 7 habits holding you back, starting with the first one. Habit 1: wearing the wrong shoes. You might love those comfy slippers or old sneakers, but if they're loose, flat, or worn out, they're a fall waiting to happen. The American Geriatric Society says 30% of falls are linked to bad footwear. Think about it: shoes without grip or support can't steady you on a slick kitchen floor or uneven sidewalk. My friend Martha, 74, learned this the hard way. She slipped in her soft house slippers, spraining her ankle, stuck on the couch for weeks. The fix? Swap those slippers for supportive shoes with non-slip soles. Look for a firm heel, good arch support, and a grippy tread. Try them on, walk a few steps in the store, make sure they feel snug but not tight. Start today. Your feet will thank you. Now you've got the right shoes, but here's habit 2: sitting too long. I get it. After a long day, that recliner calls your name. But sitting more than 6 hours a day weakens your leg and core muscles, key for balance. A University of California study found it raises fall risk by 40%. My neighbor Tom, 78, used to sit watching TV all afternoon. When he'd stand to grab the mail, his legs felt like jelly, wobbly with every step. The solution is simple: move a little every hour. Stand up, stretch, walk around your living room for 5 minutes. Maybe march in place during a commercial break. Small bursts of movement keep your muscles strong, your balance sharp. Try it today. Set a timer if you need a nudge. Speaking of standing, habit 3 is standing up too fast. Ever get up from a chair and feel dizzy, like the room's spinning? That's orthostatic hypotension, a blood pressure drop affecting 20% of seniors per Mayo Clinic. It's why you might stumble or fall. My Aunt Joan, 71, once stood up quick, felt woozy, and bumped into her dining table, bruising her hip. The fix? Stand slowly. When you're ready to get up, hold the armrest, count to 3, 1, 2, 3, then rise. Pause a moment before walking. If you feel lightheaded, sit back down, sip some water. This tiny habit can save you from a fall. Practice it now. Slow and steady wins the race. But here's something you might not expect. Habit 4: not drinking enough water. Dehydration sneaks up on seniors, messing with coordination and balance. The National Institute on Aging says even mild dehydration can make you unsteady. My Uncle Fred, 76, used to sip coffee all day, barely touching water. One day he felt woozy, tripped in his garage, and twisted his knee. The solution? Aim for 1.5 liters of water daily, about 6 to 8 glasses. Keep a water bottle in every room: kitchen, bedroom, living room. Add a lemon slice if plain water bores you. Start with 1 extra glass today, build from there. Your body needs it to stay steady. Now, let's talk about how you walk. Habit 5: shuffling your feet. If you drag your feet instead of lifting them, you're setting yourself up to trip. The American Academy of Orthopedic Surgeons says shuffling raises fall risk by 25%. Think of my cousin Ed, 80, who caught his toe on a rug, fell, and sprained his wrist. It was painful, kept him from his gardening for weeks. The fix is to lift your feet with every step, like you're stepping over a small hurdle. Practice in your hallway: 10 steps forward, 10 back, holding a chair if needed. Focus on raising those knees slightly. It feels odd at first, but it's a game changer for balance. Here's another sneaky habit. Number 6: skipping eye checkups. As we age, vision changes. Blurry sight or poor depth perception can make you misjudge a step or miss a curb. The National Eye Institute says 1 in 3 seniors over 70 has vision issues. My friend Doris, 77, didn't realize her glasses were outdated. She misjudged a porch step, fell, and bruised her shoulder. The solution? Get your eyes checked every year. Update your glasses if needed and wear them, even for short walks. If you're squinting to read labels, it's time for a visit to the eye doctor. Clear vision means safer steps. And here's the big one. Habit 7, the #1 reason seniors fall, not using assistive devices when you need them. I know. Canes or walkers might feel like giving up, admitting you're old. But listen, the CDC says assistive devices cut fall risk by 50%. My dad's friend Bill, 79, was stubborn, refused a cane. One day he lost his balance in his driveway, fell, and broke his arm. Recovery was long, tough. The fix? Talk to your doctor about whether a cane or walker could help. Try one out, walk around your house, see how it feels. Modern canes are lightweight, stylish, not clunky. This is the tiny change that can transform your confidence. Don't let pride stop you. It's about staying free, active, you. So we've covered 7 habits that make seniors unsteady. Wrong shoes, sitting too long, standing too fast, dehydration, shuffling feet, poor vision, and avoiding assistive devices. Each one's a small tweak, but together, they're powerful. But we're not done yet. Want to supercharge your balance? Let's talk about 3 simple exercises you can do at home. No gym needed, just 10 minutes a day. First up, the chair stand. This builds leg strength, crucial for steady walking. Grab a sturdy chair with armrests, sit down, cross your arms over your chest. Slowly stand up, count 1, 2, 3, then sit back down. Do 5 reps twice a day. If it's tough, use the armrests for support. Harvard Medical School says this can improve balance by 30% in 4 weeks. My neighbor Helen, 81, started this and felt stronger in just 2 weeks. Try it now. Pause the video, give it a go. Next, the heel-to-toe walk. This sharpens coordination like walking a tightrope, but safer. Stand in your hallway, hold a chair or wall if needed. Place one foot directly in front of the other, heel touching toe, like a straight line. Take 10 steps forward, 10 back, once a day. Focus on slow, steady steps. It's simple but builds balance fast. My Uncle Joe, 75, does this daily and says he feels like a kid again. Practice it today. Start small, build confidence. Last, the leg lift. This strengthens your hips, key for stability. Stand behind a chair, hold the back for support. Slowly lift one leg out to the side, keep it straight, hold for a second, then lower. Do 5 lifts per side, once a day. If you wobble, hold tighter, go slow. This helped my friend Clara, 78, walk to her mailbox without fear after 3 weeks. Try it now, one side, then the other. You've got this. These exercises, chair stand, heel-to-toe walk, leg lift, take 10 minutes, no equipment, just a chair. Do them daily and you'll feel steadier in weeks. But always check with your doctor before starting, especially if you have health concerns. Safety first. Let's wrap this up. We've uncovered the #1 reason seniors fall, avoiding assistive devices, and 7 habits that make you unsteady. Here's your action plan. Start with one change. Swap those old slippers for supportive shoes. Drink an extra glass of water today. Stand up slowly, count to 3. Practice lifting your feet when you walk. Get your eyes checked. Try those exercises, 10 minutes a day. And if your doctor suggests a cane, give it a shot. It's not about giving up. It's about staying free, walking to the park, visiting grandkids, living your golden years with joy. You don't have to change everything today. Pick one habit, start small, build from there. Imagine this. A month from now, you're walking steadier, no wobbly knees, no fear. That's what these changes can do. Your golden years aren't about fear or pain. They're about living fully, one steady step at a time. If this video helped you, please hit that like button. It really helps others find it. Share it with a friend or family member who needs it. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips to stay strong, active, and independent. Drop a comment below. Have you ever felt unsteady? What's one change you'll try today? I read every comment. Can't wait to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay steady, stay strong.